Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I've got this new paint finishing technique which is called rust. It's fantastic. Now you might be thinking to yourself, why would I want a rusty pot in my house? Well, sometimes the urn or the container that you've got just doesn't kind of mix and work well with the flowers. Here at Prestige Botanicals, we've got these beautiful orchid plants. I absolutely love these. And I've tried them in all sorts of containers and nothing looked right. And I was looking at them one day and I looked at the back of the leaves and I looked at all the colorings on the orchids themselves and the buds and thought, it just needs something. Now this container here was a white container, and although it was beautiful, when I put the orchids in with it, it still didn't look right. It's also in a really dark area of my house, and I wanted it to be there but not there, and I wanted to see whether the orchids into that would be quite nice. So what I discovered was this rust effect paint. It's fantastic. Now this is Porter's and it's called liquid iron, and inside the paint there are some little iron filaments. So what you do is you get your pot. So here's my pot. This here, it's all a bit messy this way that I'm explaining to you, but it'll all work itself out. So this is a terracotta pot, which I'm going to put some lovely little spring bulbs into. But it started off looking like that. It was outside, it was all very dirty and all very not looking very nice. All I did was paint it. So coming back to this one here, so I just put a coat of Undercoat around on the inside of it. And then all you do is you add 2 coats of the liquid iron, let it dry 12 hours between each coat or pretty much overnight. And then once you have done that, you'll have this, it's pretty, you can sort of see, it's just, look, it just comes out like that. It's just a plain black flat doing nothing until you put the instant rust onto it. Now I could be doing it for you and showing you, but it's an outside job with plenty of fresh air. It's also one of those craft projects where you need protective goggles and you also need some gloves on because it can be a little bit caustic because it's going to eat away at the paint. The rust is going to react with the iron filaments or the little bits of metal into your pot, and you're going to be left with this amazing, amazing finish. I'll show you how this looks when it's designed up in due course. But once you've got that, leave it for 24 to 48 hours. Even up to a week is fantastic until it fully cures and the rust will keep going. To stop the rust, you just put a coat of polyurethane over the top of it and that will stop all the process. So it's quite a nice way of producing a nice finished container, considering that it started off as a terracotta container doing nothing in the garden, which now is a lovely container for either putting flowers in, putting vases in, or whatever I choose to do with it. I hope you've enjoyed that. A little bit messy, but at least you get the gist of how that works for those who are interested in rusting up a pot. See you again another day.